Thank you for joining this webinar, everyone. Myself Vivek, and I am the Senior Business Development Manager from TAP. Conduct this webinar regarding Python. And on the panel, we have senior developer whose name is Jalu. So he'll be the one who will take care of, will take the webinar. He's going to talk about the technology Python. I'll just let me just share my screen and we start the introduction and everything. So yeah, as I was mentioning, I mean we are going to talk about Python. Alok will be the one who is going to talk about it. So first of all, I would like to congratulate and thank TAP team to conduct this webinar, right, where we are going to talk about Python as a technology platform, which is built to help students and working professionals who are working with IT companies or IT who want to build their career in IT. TAP is built to or maybe designed to transform their educational knowledge practical knowledge by getting to work with live project goes beyond your traditional knowledge which you learn in your college, and it help you to apply that knowledge in real world scenarios means it will help you to get yourself involved in real projects which the team works on. So that is something which TAP helps the students and working professionals. Yeah, and with TAP, I mean, it has a huge alumni of more than database. I mean, it has more than 10,000 plus students who have enrolled for TAP and enrolled for different courses. And average, which we have realized, the average certification from TAP is somewhere close to 7 lakhs per annum. Apart from it, we also have a lot of hiring partners. Some big names will help you to get you placed in those hiring partners or those companies, right? And the average placement which we have observed in past, let's say a year or more than a year, it's close to 90%. Yeah, so that's about the type introduction. And now I was talking about the hiring partners. So these are few of the big names, right? We have as a as our hiring partners. Name a few: HCL, we have OLX, we have Motherson, we have Airtel, we have Let's Transport. So these are a few big names we have, and there are many others which you already also have. Jalok, get ahead from here on. I think Jalok, we need to talk about Python and everything. These are the topics which we are going to cover today.
Thanks, Vivek, for guiding our joinees to throughout the introduction. Now, can anyone tell me is I'm audible and my voice is clear? Okay. So before going through this Python webinar, I will first tell you about myself. I am Jalo, and I am going to be your Python instructor for this whole session. And in terms of experience, I have 3+ years of experience in the field of software development and I work as a Python developer. Currently, I am focusing on generative AI and backend domain. Regarding webinar, today we were going to see what is Python, what job opportunity you can get from Python, why Python is on boom currently. At the end of this session, I will just show you a basic demo of automation, which is a part of, you can say, your automation testing and automation engineering. Let's go to our first. What is Python? If we say in simple terms, Python is powerful, easy to learn, and versatile programming language used for web development, data science, AI, automation, and more. It's only the very basic definition. But if we want to go and understand what Python is, we can just say that Python is a dynamically typed language which use interpreter to, you can say, run the code. So I have said two words: dynamically typed or interpreter. In this later session, I will explain you with a simple demo.